Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Salesforce is a leading CRM, customer relationship management, software which is served from cloud. It has more than 800 applications to support various features like generating new leads, acquiring new leads, increasing sales and closing the deals.
Take our lead.
Is Salesforce easy to learn? Though Salesforce is extensive, it is not difficult to learn. If you put your mind and head into learning the Salesforce CRM and at the same time take up this online Salesforce training course, you will be able to master Salesforce within weeks.
Take our lead.
One of the reasons that Salesforce is so popular is that it is packed with features like no other CRM software. Features such as contact management, workflow creation, task management, opportunity tracking, collaboration tools, customer engagement tools, analytics and an intuitive, mobile-ready dashboard.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Salesforce does not require the ability to write code to be successful. In fact, one of the great things about Salesforce.com is the ability to do some pretty awesome things without writing a line of code.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.